Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the SCT sampler. I just received this in the mail, and you always get a die in this little kit, and it's got to be in here somewhere. Here it is. And it always matches the quote. So enjoy. And you get the word and the outline, which is really nice. So it says enjoy. Take it all in one day at a time and enjoy the journey. That's a beautiful quote. Okay, so now this is a sampler, so therefore if you subscribe to this sampler, you're going to get samples of product from different manufacturers. And so not every kit is exactly the same, but there's always some ephemera to take a look at, which is nice. And a lot of people use this for card making or scrapbooking or other arts and crafts that they may do. Why do we love paper like this? I don't know why, but I just love it. And then you get some stickers. This happens to be some thick, like chipboard or foam stickers. Adventure, sightseeing. These are words that are great for scrapbooking. And then some, oh, these are so pretty. Look, they've got some sparkle in them. Beautiful colors. I love that. And then you get samples of the like the pattern paper that comes in those paper pads. So that's kind of cool. You get a stamp set. This one's beautiful. Check out those gorgeous flowers. This definitely reminds me of multimedia. So this is American Crafts, a Bo Bunny. And this is called a Beautiful Things stamp. I guess that's what this is called. Yep, Beautiful Things stamp. Ooh, some rub-ons, guys. Have any of you guys ever used rub-ons? Maybe these are just stickers. Are these just stickers? Yeah, I think these are just stickers, not rub-ons. These are just like vinyl stickers. And here's some more of the stickers. These are words that you can use. See how they come off like that? So it looks like traveling, sightseeing, now boarding, passport, window and seat. So this is like for you know, traveling cards or scrapbooking. Ooh, I love the watercolor look, don't you? Love it, love it, love it. These look like they would make some good masculine cards because they're kind of muted colors. That's really pretty. Some nice pattern backgrounds. I like the little music notes on that one. It looks like some clouds in a way. These are like the little Google map points. That's pretty. I like those colors. Cool. Very cool. I love this one. Cute, 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 cute. Love that. You know what's fun though, with this word enjoy the journey with the quote. I like that. You could make a card like that that says enjoy the journey for someone. That would be very cool, I think. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and we'll give the SCT sampler kit a try. Bye-bye.